Hello, how you doing? Green banana curry, coconut, mint, garlic, ginger, just fantastic spices in there. That is probably one of my favorite curries. Welcome back to How to Cook Green. Okay, so here's my green banana that I've prepared. So what you do is you top and tail the banana, you put a slit down the skin, you boil them a little bit of salt water for about 6 minutes. These have got a nice kind of give to them. You know, they're still fairly firm. There's about 4 cups there. So I've got 2 cups of tomato, 1 cup of fresh mint. If you don't want to use mint, you could use cilantro or coriander. 1 cup of cashew, fresh chili to taste, and a heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. What we're going to do is we're going to blend all that in a machine. So there's our prepared green banana. There's the paste that we just mixed up. I've got some bell peppers in there, give it a nice sweetness, about 2 cups, 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then 1 teaspoon each, always call that the big 4 if you're a regular, turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. Let's go to the cooker. There are a few other bits to go in, but let's get moving. So in my pan, I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil, but you can change that to whatever you want. There's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds. And we just want them for a few seconds to do their thing in the hot oil. Back in a moment. So we're on an above medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in that 1 cup of onion. Stir in pretty much all the time. I'll be back in 3 minutes. And then very simply we're going to get our green banana in there, which, like I say, is fairly tough still. Didn't boil it that much. And we're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Again, stirring away. That's just got a little bit of colour onto the green banana. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. We're going to add our powders, 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. A quick mix there. Then we're going to take our mixture, which has got some lovely flavours in there. And for about 3 minutes we're going to work this in. So to that we're now going to add in our peppers, nice bit of kind of sweetness in there. Again, a little quick mix on this beautiful green banana curry that we're making. We're then going to go with 200 ml of water and 400 ml of coconut milk. We're going to drop this not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for about 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. That is absolutely fabulous. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely delicious. Really, really pumped full of lovely flavors. Let me serve that up. And there you have it, delicious stuff. I really, really love that one. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.